Hi, I'm Maria Giro Cirillo from BSBA HRM 3A. I'm here to share some informative information for you to have an additional knowledge. Just keep on watching and join me. Let's get it started. Business function. Business function is a process that is performed routinely to carry out a part of the mission of an organization. Also, it defines as any set of activities performed by the department that is initiated by an event, transform information, materials or business commitments, and procedure and output. Business functions provide the vocabulary and framework needed to provide an enterprise-wide view of the business activities. They help to identify the main activities of the organization. Defining business functions includes the creation of a hierarchical list of responsibility areas that each organizational unit manages. Business process. Business process is a structured, measured set of activities designed to produce a specific output for a particular customer or market. It implies a strong emphasis on how work is done within an organization. The process must involve clearly defined inputs and a single output. These inputs are made up of all the factors which contribute either directly or indirectly to the added value of a service or product. Taking a process approach implies adopting the customer's point of view. Processes are the structure by which an organization does not, thus what rather, is necessary to produce value for its customer. Information system. Information system is an integrated set of components for collecting, storing, and processing data, and for providing information, knowledge, and digital products. Business firms and other organizations rely on information systems to carry out and manage their operations, interact with their customers and suppliers, and compete in the marketplace. Information systems are used to run inter-organizational supply chains and electronic markets. An information system is the collection of technical and human resources that provide the storage, computing, distribution, and communication for the information required by all or some parts of an enterprise. Collaborative intelligence. Collaborative intelligence characterizes the attributes of cross-disciplinary problem-solving teams, a distributed group mind at peak performance in solving creative problems, dynamics that occur when people from different disciplines and institutions with diverse skills, agendas, and priorities produce outcomes that a majority of participants and stakeholders in the process view as more effective than what independent individuals or single discipline groups could have produced alone. A method to guide processes that require collaborative intelligence can benefit from tools such as evolvable templates, problem maps, online process tracking, improved search, visualization, and decision support. Data aggregation. Data aggregation is a type of data and information mining process where data is searched, gathered, and presented in a report-based, summarized format to achieve specific business objectives or processes and/or conduct human analysis. Data aggregation may be performed manually or through specialized software. Data aggregation personnel or software search databases, find relevant search query data, and present data findings in a summarized format that is meaningful and useful for the end user or application. It generally works on big data or data marts that do not provide much information value as a whole. Data aggregation's key applications are the gathering, utilization, and presentation of data that is available and present on the global internet. Predictive analytics. Predictive analytics describe the use of statistics and modeling to determine future performance based on current and historical data. Predictive analytics look at patterns in data to determine if those patterns are likely to emerge again, which allows businesses and investors to adjust where they use their resources to take advantage of possible future events. Predictive analytics is typically used to forecast future probabilities. It is also used to analyze current data and historical facts in order to better understand customers, products, and partners and to identify potential risks and opportunities for a company. It uses a number of techniques to help analysts to make future business forecasts. Prescriptive analytics. Prescriptive analytics is a type of data analytics, the use of technology to help businesses make better decisions through the analysis of raw data. Specifically, prescriptive analytics factors information about possible situations or scenarios, available resources, past performance, and current performance, and suggests a course of action or strategy. It can be used to make decisions in any time horizon, from immediate to long term. Prescriptive analytics relies on artificial intelligence techniques such as machine learning, the ability of a computer program without additional human input to understand and advance from the data it acquires, adapting all the while. Machine learning makes it possible to process a tremendous amount of data available today. As new or additional data becomes available, computer programs adjust automatically to make use of it, and a process that is much faster and more comprehensive than human capabilities could manage. Business analytics. Business analytics is the combination of skills, technologies, applications, and processes used by organizations to gain insight into their business based on data and statistics to drive business planning. Business analytics is used to evaluate organization-wide operations and can be implemented in any department from sales to product development to customer service. Business analytics solutions typically use data, statistical and quantitative analysis, and fact-based data to measure past performance to guide an organization's business planning. It is also a field that drives practical, data-driven changes in a business. It is a practical application of statistical analysis that focuses on providing actionable recommendations. Analysts in this field focus on how to apply the insights they derive from data. 3 steps on how business intelligence works or implemented. First, collect raw information. This is the starting point of any data analysis. It is also known and often referred to as primary data. Once the raw data is collected, it is processed to turn it into information that can be converted into knowledge further down the analysis track. Next, clean and transform data. After the first step, it is now time for the data to be analyzed and dispose those data that is not needed and then transform it for much better understanding. Next, users ask queries. Last step is when the data is ready, it is now available for the users to ask their queries. 5 steps of business analytics. First, define. Define is to visualize the goal and objective you want to achieve to make your business successful and for you to be motivated on getting it. Next, measure. Once you have distinguished your goal, you now collect the data you needed. Next, analyze. Analyze is to determine the type you want to categorize and what data you have collected. Next, improve. This step can let you examine the strategy you want to apply to your business. Next, last step is to control. Control the strategy to make it effective to your business in the long run and what benefit your business can get from it. And that's it. Thank you for watching.